So this question is asking you about solid, liquids and gas. So I'm just going to show you how I would answer it. It says the information in the box is about the properties in solids and gases. So solids have a fixed shape and difficult to compress, and gases will spread easily to fill the entire container and are easy to compress. Use your knowledge of kinetic theory to explain the information in the box. You should consider the spacing, the movement and the forces between the particles. So if it was me, I'd do my work like this. So I'd start with 1, 2, 3, I'd number the bullet points and I would start with spacing. Okay? And you're explaining this information. So we're looking at how does spacing mean that the solids have a fixed shape. So what we're looking to say, so you would then put solids. So the particles are close together. Okay, and there's no room for them to move closer together. Okay, which means that they have a fixed shape. For the gas, okay, the particles are far apart. Okay, and there is space between the particles, which we've sort of said there, so that they can be, so it said they will spread to fill the entire container. So because there is space between the particles, they can fill the container. Okay? Number 2 is looking at the movement. So again, you would do solids first. So the solids, they have, they vibrate about a fixed point. And gases, okay, they move randomly in all directions. Okay. And then number 3, the forces between the particles. So in a solid, there are strong intermolecular forces, so they are held together strongly. Okay, and then in a gas, there are no forces of attraction. So the particles can spread out in all directions. Okay. So see, I've said my main things are, if you get things to talk about, like 3 different things, then write 1, 2, 3 and then talk about each thing separately. And then another really helpful tip is to read through your answer. So read through all of this and then go back and make sure that it matches the question. So rather than just reading the question again, read your answer and then check it matches the question and see if there's anything else to add. Now my handwriting is terrible, so if you look in the mark scheme, well, I've added the mark scheme so you can see those points written neater as well. Any questions? Let me know.